I've had quite a lot of experience on powerboats in the past, and we have a powerboat back in the UK, but been seeing all these people bobbing about on the sea in sailboats, and we wanted to give that a try. So my son and I, Tim, we did our competent crew course in January, and that's the only sailing experience we'd had before embarking on this adventure on Saga. Cooking on a boat is something a little bit different. I don't do a great deal of cooking at home apart from barbecuing, but I got into cooking whilst on the boat. I did a nice chili con carne al saga for the crew, which I think absolutely everybody really enjoyed. Cooked a nice spaghetti bolognese, and my signature dish of one-eyed jacks, effective fried bread with a hole and a fried egg in the middle. So yeah, it was quite interesting. Unfortunately, my son has told my wife about the cooking on the boat, and apparently I'm going to have to do a lot more cooking at home now, so thanks, Tim. I think I've learnt a lot about sailing generally, having only undertaken competent crew before. Everything that we learnt on competent crew has been reinforced on the boat. We've learnt a hell of a lot about seamanship generally, and Chris was quite well, he was very good at trying to find out where our holes in the knowledge were and filling them in. I've learnt a lot about knots whilst being on the boat, and I think I can now do all the knots that I'm supposed to be able to do, which I couldn't do previously. I've learnt a lot about helmsmanship, which is a lot different when going on a passage than it is in coastal waters, particularly in rough seas. Yeah, I think I've learned lots of little things which will just reinforce my sailing experiences in the future. Having only done it once before on the competent crew course, it was quite good looking at where your wind directions were and what kind of reach that required you to have on the sails. So I've definitely got a big takeaway in terms of that going forward. At first it was a very daunting experience, and you didn't want to be the one that got it wrong when everybody woke up in the morning, and instead of being in Madeira, you was in Morocco. But having done that for a few nights, at the end of the trip, you did feel very confident about nighttime sailing and passages and navigation, etc., and using the stars as your waypoints, etc., as well as just keeping your eye on your general course. So yeah, no, fantastic experience and learnt a lot. Yeah, thank you, and thank you for what has been a thoroughly enjoyable and yeah, exciting experience. Really enjoyed it, and enjoyed everybody's company as well, so thank you.